Hello, welcome to my 22nd C# tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to elaborate on arrays a bit more than what we learnt about in the previous tutorial. Arrays, like I said before, are like a list of items with the same variable name, and I've showed you the use in the previous tutorial. But at the start of the last tutorial I told you that I was doing arrays the simple and quick way, and in this tutorial I'm going to explain to you how to use them in the more difficult way, but you'll see how it's useful. Okay, say I have this list of people again, but I don't know how many people there's going to be. I can't type them in straight away, so what I'll do is I will create this an array that's empty. Okay, now I know there's a red line under here, I'll come to this in a minute. So what we do is we write string with the square brackets, we give it a name, then we write new string, and inside again we put the square brackets, and inside here we type how many spaces in the list we want. Okay, now like I said before, sometimes you don't know, so we are going to give the maximum number of spaces that we want it to have. So say I'm having a party and I only want at most 10 people coming, however I don't know who those 10 people are at the minute. So I have created an array, or a list, a string list with 10 free spaces. Okay, now I could get names from the user in the console. I'm going to do that, but however I'm going to reduce this to 4 because I don't have that much time in this tutorial. So we're going to just loop this 4 times. 0, I is less than 4, and I plus plus. Okay, so people, whoop, and we're going to give that I equals console.readLine. Okay, so there we go. This is just going to loop 4 times, and it's going to tell the user to enter a person's name. Okay. Now this is just going to show you, right, enter a guest name. Jeff, Bob, John, and not John, I can't even spell, anyway, and Bill, I can't even remember what where in the last one. Okay, so anyway, that is just showing you the program working. Okay, each time it will store what the user writes into this array. Now you can't try to put more, like I can't put I can't loop this 5 times or else it would cause an error, so I'll just try that. Okay, okay, see, it won't actually work. It didn't cause an error there, but it can cause an error if you put too many items into an array. It's very annoying when something doesn't work whenever you want to show it to someone. But anyway, you get the picture. So once I've done that, I'm going to do another for loop. So I'm just going to do int j equals 0, j is less than 4, and I'm going to change that back to 4 before I forget. J plus plus. I'm just going to do console dot write line person or people and j. So what this is going to do is it's going to print out all the names of the people that we've entered. So Ted, John, Bill, Bob, and then we have Ted John Bill Bob printed out. Okay, this is an example of showing you how you can use arrays differently than I already taught you. I hope you've understood what I've shown you here, and it's a way of allocating space, you know, depending on how many items you need. It's probably more useful this way, and this would be the way you'd use most. I would certainly use this way more often than I would with the curly brackets, because most of the time you don't know the items that are going to be in your list. So yeah, that is another thing that will greatly benefit your programs and make things more easier, because you can't use a loop to print out 4 different variables without having to type them out individually, and it will shorten your code down immensely in some cases. So I hope that's helped you. If you liked it, please subscribe and please like the video. If you have any comments, please share them. I'm glad to hear any advice or anything. So again, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.